Hi, I'm Katie Newcome. I work as Marketing Administrator at Hogan Design and Construction. I am so lucky to be able to really kind of spearhead their Project Hope campaign that they've been working on, that Hogan Design and Construction. Each employee gets to select a charity that is near and dear to them. Monthly, we support that charity not only in a monetary way, but also through publication and making sure that people are aware that that charity is out there and encouraging others to get involved. That's been a huge driver for excitement on my part, I guess. I really love being able to give back to the community, and that the company that I work for believes so strongly in it, just makes me feel good on a daily basis.